911, do you need police, fire, and ambulance?
Police.
Where?
Okay, to McDonald's on Delaware.
What's going on there?
I ordered a 10-piece chicken nugget with a small fry, and she said that they didn't have any chicken nuggets, and so I told her I want a McDouble and a small fry, and she told me I would have to pick anything else off the menu because she can't refund me the difference out of the meal. And I told her to just give me all my money back, and she's telling me she can't give me my money back either. I have to pick something.
There's no manager there?
Ma'am.
You already spoke with the manager?
She says she are the manager. She's saying something about she just can't refund me my money or something. But she don't have on the menu what I want. I wanted chicken nuggets. And so she didn't have that, so I told her to give me a McDouble and just refund the difference. And she said she can't do that, so I told her to just give me all my money back, and I don't want anything. And she's telling me she can't refund my money now. She don't have what I want. And she can't force me to eat something that I don't want.